Hello and welcome to Bowtie Life, where we talk mostly about life in the garden. Any ideas where we are today? We've taken a little trip and we're going to do a special event. You're going to have to wait till after the intro though. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. So today we are at Epcot in the Disney World Showcase, and it is the Flower and Garden Festival for 2024. And I wanted to take y'all around and show you some of the topiaries, some of the displays here, and just share a little bit of what we see today. If you have not done so yet, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a thing that we record, video, and put out on our channel. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. You've made this channel what it is today. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. We really enjoyed seeing all the topiaries. I think this is probably the second time I've seen the Flower and Garden Show. So thanks for following along. And if this is your first time finding our channel, then please be sure to subscribe to this channel. This version of this video is going to appear on 2 different channels. First will be on Tigger Travels, family adventure that we've been running for a very, very long time. A lot of subscribers there. And also on Bowtie Life, my gardening show, my gardening channel, talk mostly about life in the garden. So if you're familiar with one of those, feel free to go over and check the other. And if you're interested in the other, be sure to subscribe there too. And for those of you who have subscribed, you're my heroes, as always. If you're just stumbling along here finding this, like I already said, be sure to subscribe, click the thumbs up on this video. It really helps out on the algorithms. And comment below if you enjoyed it, if you've seen it yourself. And what's the other thing that we do here? Oh yeah, we share it on our social media with friends and family who also like things to do with the garden, or in this case, the double whammy here is things to do with Disney. And we will holler at y'all later. Have a blessed day.